Do you normally throw out your overripe bananas? I'm going to show you a quick Jamaican treat to make with your overripe bananas, okay? I'm going to show you a quick Jamaican treat to make with the overripe banana them. So then we mash the bananas. Use a fork or whatever utensils you want to use. I normally use a... Next we add flour and just mix it in. This next step is optional. I'm adding sugar, but it's not really needed because the banana already sweet. But when I do it for the picnic, then them like it extra sweet. Next we'll add with spice, just a teaspoon of vanilla. Then I'm going to add a dash of cinnamon. Now I'm just grate a toops of nutmeg in it. Now we just mix everything up together. We just mix it all together now. So we just have to spoon out the batter now and fry it. So guys, so this is the finished product, Jamaican banana fritters. So try it, let me know how it turned out and if you did like it, okay?